Welcome back to another video. We're gonna be playing Life Tycoon. The heck was that? Oh my god. We're gonna unlock this. See what it does. Start farming. 45. Huh? What do I do? Huh? Do I go in here? Not gonna lie, I do not know what to do. Oh, that makes sense. Okay. I go here to collect money. Extend path. Now I'm gonna buy fits. Oh, never mind. I'll extend the path. This is actually very interesting. By the chicken. Okay. I still made that much money at $30. 300. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do I make more money now? Nope, still make the same amount. $400. Okay. This game's starting. I'm starting to see what you're supposed to do. Is that better for y'all? Sorry about that. Sorry, Phils. Still getting $12. I think I'm supposed to buy that. Is that the last thing I need to buy? Question? Oh my god. This is definitely not the last thing I need to buy. Build water tower. Okay. Pump the whale. Well. No, okay, never mind. Okay, so I have enough for it. I do not have enough for the next thing, so this is boring at the first part. Okay, it's right here. Extend path. Build pond. Okay, I'm just gonna extend my little land. Try to. I'm gonna probably do that because that costs the most money. I feel like it's gonna earn me more money. So I'm just gonna do a little AFK on this until I get the money. Okay? Let's do it. Guys, I have enough. Let's see. No, it's just a little decoration, but it looks nice. Oh my god, that guy got 2 million. This guy is it. That guy got 2 million right over there. Now can I build some more things like so I can earn more money, people? Like, come on, bro. Oh, sorry, guys. Whatever the barn. Those doors. Still ain't getting more money. Where's their barn? Oh. That's what my barn looks like. Windmill? Still ain't getting more money. What's gonna get me more money? Farms? I think those are going to. Oh, I can gain money here now. Let's go. Hay bales, I'm gonna try to. No. Oh, barrels. How much money? I want to gain more money, people. Okay. Oh. Now time to do just. Okay, buy hay bales. Sorry guys, if it's a little blurry. Then tools. If I don't get anything out of this. AJ might want to play with us in this game.
What you all playing?
I just now started. It's Farm Life Tycoon. I've just now started.
So are you playing with anybody?
No, I'm just doing a little video.
Oh, what's up, guys?
I barely even played. Like the barn is like one of the first things you buy, and I'm like just at that. I've only have 2 farms, and you start with 2 farms.
Yeah, you only have 377 bucks.
No, I have 120.
I have $60.
Yes.
My entire game's black.
Yeah, it took me a while to find out how to where you get the money, but then I see where you get the money.
How do you make it to where you can actually see stuff?
What do you mean?
My entire screen is black.
I think it might be still loading in.
Let's see if I can load in now. Yeah, you only have 66 bucks.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm still putting in.
I only make $12 a second, so.
Well, it says I'm in game. I just don't see any color.
Oh, then. Oh, hey, let's go. I have a truck. Let's see if you have a farm yet. Like if you have an island yet. I don't think you're gonna. Oh yeah. Yeah, you're across the. Okay, you're all the way over here. I'm coming to you.
I can't see anything.
Oh, then leave the game and join back.
Huh?
Leave the game and join back.
I just.
I'm at your place. Whoa. Yeah, I'm at your place. Okay, I see you.
I can't move. I can't move. My entire screen's black and I don't know what's going on.
Did you leave the game?
Yep, I left and rejoined.
Okay, get off Roblox and rejoin. Okay. Well, I'm stuck. I don't know if I can even get out this house.
Whose house is it?
Your house. Your house disappeared for a second, then it reappeared, and now I'm under the house. Well, the house that you were at.
Now I can see.
Oh, you can? Okay. Do you want me to drive over to your little house?
Sure.
Okay. And you can get in, check out.
How do you make money?
Oh, you start
Oh,
going.
there's money collector. Okay.
Yeah. It took me like 3 minutes just to find that there was a money collector. If you watch my video, I'm like, where do you earn money? I started putting water in the
When
farm.
are you actually going to post your videos like this?
Oh, I'm gonna do. Oh, you did.
What the? I just saw like a boomerang just flying over here.
Okay, look,
Am I
ready?
doing good?
Yeah, dude, look at this. Dude, I like by the time now, I would just now have the first farm. I'm like, where do I collect my money? I walked out. I'm like, oh.
BRB, I need to go join the group.
Okay.
You already know I joined the group to get better stuff. It's what happens whenever you play with me. I'm gonna join the group. Don't you agree that if you had the power to, you would join every single group you could?
Oh, I've joined multiple groups.
Are you joining groups?
Not on Xbox, but you can join it on phone, and I get on my phone.
I mean, technically, is your phone account connected to your account that you have open right now?
Yeah.
Okay, then go ahead, join the group.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Yeah. That's
Well,
what
it makes you money whenever you're offline.
What?
It makes you money whenever you're offline.
Oh, it does? Bring it.
I make $999 every second.
How?
Every minute, I make $999.
How?
A plan. Since I joined the group. I have $1,000.
Oh my god. Me too.
It's so OP, isn't it?
Yeah. Make 900
I bought the chickens.
chicken. Oh yeah. Okay.
Water tower.
Okay. Extend the path. Like these are the barn. The
Oh, I extended the path a long time ago.
oh. Yeah, I'm finally making more money. The green things make you have
I
more.
just built my barn.
The green things make you get more money. Yeah, like if you see like a green thing, that's
Yes, I can collect
fertilize.
again.
Okay, I'm finally getting.
$999 in the bag. Dude, that's so OP. You make more money from the... Oh, dude. Wherever I am, I make money now.
How?
Because it gives you another money machine whenever you build the barn.
Yeah.
Have you decorated your barn, or did you think that was a waste?
Oh, I've already decorated and everything.
I haven't even built my pond yet.
Oh. Well,
The funniest part is you started way before me.
Yeah, but I was just at the barn once you joined.
Now how good are we?
Okay.
We're about third. Like, seeing that we both have the plan now. Dude, those people are probably like so mad. They're like, how do you get $1,000 every second? Yet all you have to do is join the group and you get nothing. But you didn't even have to join the group to get it. I just realized.
Yes, you did.
No, without me joining the group, I ain't done it. I think.
No, you had to because that's what I tried before and it didn't work.
Okay. I need to build the garage. I can't buy the super. I fixed the old truck though.
Yeah, same.
The lights.
No, trust me. It will.
I'm about to buy the black SUV.
The black SUV?
Yeah, it looks so cool.
How do you get that?
It's next to the truck.
Oh, I didn't even. Oh my god, bro. I'm so stupid. I forgot to buy the lights. I didn't even see the lights.
Oh, I bought the lights a long time ago.
Black S. Oh my god. Why is that? Why does that cost that much? Dude, I'm trying to spend my money on my farms, but I wanna have an SUV.
What do you do if you pump your well?
What?
Give me a water bucket.
Yeah, I don't know what to do either. I tried because I thought.
Oh, you're making your crops fertilized. Oh. I bought the SUV.
Yeah, I bought it too.
Dude, it looks sick. This game's actually fun now that I have group.
Yeah, I guess. I hate where you have to go keep on going back to your little planet just to get that money.
Yeah, I figured we're lucky that I figured out there's a group.
Well, I knew there was a group, but I didn't want to have to leave. Then I forgot I had my phone.
I've already expanded my pass 2 times.
Dude.
I already bought the field. Both of them.
Dude.
I'm about to start growing pumpkins.
I've already grown broccoli, and I'm already maxed out the pumpkin and the broccoli.
I just started.
But you're saying that you're trying to say that you're better than me. I'm just saying that, okay? Okay, guys, you hear that? He thinks he's better than me.
I'm not doing too bad right now.
Not too shabby. Did you already decorate the barn?
Oh, I did that like 3 years ago.
You sound just like Charlie now and then.
It's
Dude.
not really hard to decorate it.
I know, but it costs like $1,000. Well, like $200 just to buy one. Oh yeah, sure. Oh.
We have $999,000
No,
every second, legit.
dude, it actually drifts.
It does. Oh my gosh, it drifts. Okay, I can't wait. Wait, I can go ahead and drive it, can't I?
Watch, I'm at your place right now.
Drift. Oh, I'm doing pretty decent though.
Oh my God! Did you just see that? What? No, watch this. Watch this. Ready? Ready?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Whee!
Oh, that was a nice one. Oh my gosh. I'm already done with my pumpkin. Oh.
Dude, I love how you can drift with this car. Can you drift with the other truck? Can you drift with the other truck?
Oh, I'll check. Because I'm at my base right now, so I'll check. Okay, I'm in truck. And you drift. You can kind of drift. Like, you're gonna go super fast. Drifting's hot. You can skirt. You can go skirt. You can go skirt so easily.
In the SUV, heck yeah.
No, in the truck.
Oh, really?
You can go skirt.
Dude, you can upgrade the barn more? Oh my God.
No way.
Dude, come to my place right now. It's huge
I'm
now.
gonna check. You can.
It's huge.
I know, I see. It's on my screen too.
Holy.
Oh.
You're welcome, I guess.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that for a little while. That's like $10,000.
But that's the only thing I can buy.
You can't extend your pass further.
No, you have to buy it first. That's the only thing I can buy right now because I've already maxed out the farms and everything.
So you've extended your path past the broccoli?
I have 5 farms, and and the only thing I can buy right now is the robot stuff or the barn stuff.
So you've grown wheat?
Yeah, I've grown broccoli. Yeah, and I've grown
I'm
pumpkin.
gonna drive to your place with my truck. Where's your place?
Oh, you should see, like, if you look up.
I see you. Dude, watch me skirt.
Oh my God. Oh, dude. On Xbox, you can actually skirt. Like, you can actually skirt.
Yeah, come to the road and watch me skirt.
Ham.
I just go.
No, watch me. Watch me. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I have to go really fast. Watch this. Ready? I'm about to skirt in my driveway.
I'm going off the ramp.
You ain't gonna make it up there.
I'm up the ramp. It's over 9,000. Do you know the over 9,000 meme?
No.
Oh my gosh, you haven't watched anime. I know for sure you haven't watched anime. You have not watched anime, and I know that for a fact.
Yeah, I don't. That's the thing.
I know.
I watch baseball. I watch sports stuff, bud. Because that's
I
not.
don't.
Because dude, I was at a baseball tournament for 12 hours, and it was raining all those 12 hours. Oh.
But
Nothing.
I'm buying everything in my farm.
Oh, I totally can't buy a tractor right now.
Buy the tractor if you can.
I don't have enough. God, man.
How much money is it?
4,500.
Where is it?
It's in the barn.
Oh, you have to upgrade all the barn to do it.
Yeah.
Dang it.
That's.
I don't like doing the barn. It's not fun.
Dude, it costs like so much money.
I know.
Like,
Is that you coming up to my base?
no. But I'm about to pull up with a tractor at your base.
I like to see how fast the tractor goes.
Oh my God! It goes faster than the truck.
No shot. Come to my base. Come into my barn. Just drift into it. How fast they go. It go boom, boom, boom.
It goes 63.
Come to my base.
Watch this.
Come to my base with the tractor.
I'm already here.
Oh, buddy. What is that?
Bro, watch me. Watch me.
Look at that thick dumpy though.
Oh my God! It's going 70.
That was such a thick dumpy.
It's going 71, 72, 73, 74.
Do you see how thick that dumpy is on that thing?
Peace. Dude, yeah, you do the wheat, bro. It gives you more money.
The wheat?
The wheat.
The wheat?
Yeah.
Oh, I totally forgot about it.
God, people these age.
Look, I've been focused on making my farm. The farm is annoying to make. And I know you know that.
No, it's not
Don't
that.
shame me for not knowing it. I know you had such a big pain with the farm as well.
What farm?
The wheat farm.
Oh no, that was cheap.
I have a fruit stand.
Yeah, I've already passed that.
Well, I legit have a banana stand. Like, it's only bananas. I sell bananas and hot dogs. That's all my farm sells. Bananas and hot dogs. Don't ask where we got the hot dogs.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's just say we had to get a few people in here.
Yes, ma'am.
Shorty.
This person's running into my green. Oh my God, bro. What is he doing? This person keeps a. Stop running over my tractor, bro. He's messed up my farm. Dude,
He's running over your tractor.
he's trying to, but the tractor just flipped his car over. Oh my God, bro. He flipped back over. Come look at him, bro. It's not funny.
Somebody's just.
Oh, Okay, he's going back to his very nice base. Okay, dude, we're doing Devil Derby right now. Come watch it. Come watch this right now. We're doing Demo Derby right now. Dude, we're doing Demo Derby right now. It's, oh my god.
He's gonna come out with a truck and be like G-Wagon.
No, guess what? Dude, we're doing Demo Derby right now.
Come on, it's
Oh.
over 9,000.
I think he went bye-bye. I don't see him no more.
Oh, I'm following him. G-Wagon! I have a G-Wagon. I'm straight up just running over. Oh, wait, there were 2 people in that truck.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I'm trying to run it over. Demolition Derby! Yay!
Yeah, I'm here.
Go, 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 go. Let's get him. Let's get him.
Who is who?
We chasing him?
Who is who? I don't know who is who.
I'm the one in the back. I'm the one who's next to you.
Bro, look, I'm vroom vrooming this kid, bro. Look at dude.
Skirt, 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 skirt.
Pow.
Oh, he got on our wagon.
Trap him, trap him. No, it's a girl now.
Go, 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 go.
She gone, bro.
Catch him. They can't have a bigger G-Wagon than us.
Dude.
I lost him. Go, 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 go. We gotta kill him.
Dude, okay.
They're cornered. Why are you going in my base?
What's up?
What's the plan? What's the plan?
I'm a tractor.
It's over 9,000, you noobs. Ouch. I'm gonna type in chat. O-U-T. Out! I just said out in chat. Out.
They're gonna stay there if you say out. Stupid.
They think this is their base. I guarantee flip it to you. Right, Evan?
No.
Is the video still going?
Yeah.
You're saying, chat, really? Is that hard? Is it that hard to come up with an answer of get out of my base? Oh my gosh!
Dude, I have carrots now, but I have to manually pull them.
My own G-Wagon. I just bought my own G-Wagon. I have a tractor. I have a my tractor, reactor.
Your tractor, the reactor, it's the reactor.
Oh my gosh! This game goes zoom! This thing goes zoom zoom! We're bigger than their G-Wagons.
Oh my god, are you still chasing them?
I'm trying.
Oh.
They just knocked me! Dude, get out! Get out of here! We're having a brawl. We're legit running out into each other. Back alley brawl! Eating tacos! Slurping up
Dude, I've.
Mickey D's!
Okay, you're just weird, bro.
Slurping up the Mickey D's. I just got dirt.
Macaroni and a chicken strips.
I built my house!
You what greenhouse? Like the greenhouse?
There's a greenhouse!
Oh, dude, I already have that. I have both greenhouses. The first one doesn't give you money. The first one does not give you money.
You can expand past like your plant.
Oh, dude, that's where you buy the second greenhouse.
Oh my gosh! How did you get that much money so quickly?
Because I've been using my farm, and I have that barn that's right beside the second greenhouse. There's 2 barns, by the way.
My life is dead.
Yeah, dude, you gotta stop chasing people.
Boom boom!
Vroom, 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 vroom. Stop it, little sir, before I knock your head straight with that.
Chase him.
Oh
Evan,
my.
you coming on the chase with me?
Dude, I'm good.
I'm going around my entire thing, and I'm gonna go boom, boom, smack, wabbity doo.
Dude, every single 15 seconds, I get 3 carrots done. That give me 4. That give me.
Evan, I'm on hot pursuit.
Oh my god, bro, I hate this.
Hot
Oh my
pursuit.
god, okay, I'm coming. I'm coming, no worries.
I'm coming after you now.
Dude, are you sure?
Ah!
Where are you?
Let's go attack them. They're here. They're here.
Where are they?
They should be at their base. They're at my base.
Okay, I'm coming.
Meet me there. Meet me there.
Okay, I'm here.
Over 6,000.
I'm here.
Yeah. Guess between these two characters. Guess who made the over 9,000?
What's up?
BRB.
What's up, guys? Yeah. It's a lot of money right now. Yeah, I'm gonna struggle right now. FaceTime AJ. Okay. I don't think he's gonna be able to play right now. Why is the, oh my god. Why does it cost so much money? God, why does that cost so much money? Why does that cost so much money? 26,000? That's it? That's all I'm gaining nowadays. Can I get a better farm or something? Okay, I have 50,000 now. I need, well, 60,000. I need a lot more money than this if I want to complete. Just, build lights. Okay, that's it. Grow trees, okay. Ooh. Now this is a nice scene. Romantic. I'm gonna gain 5,000 right here. So I have 16K. Then I'm gonna go around the corner. No, I'm gonna go claim this money. Now I'm gonna claim this. Go over here. Should be almost growing. Circle. Check if there's anything to buy in the house. Nope. Come back. Should be right here. Pet the chicken. Check if these are done growing. No. Nothing we need. And then pet the chicken again and say hi. Then you got that. Then come over here. Come all the way over here. Buy this when I get there. Oh my. Come over here. Buy this. I'll get that. Come over here, buy the gas tank, and save it for the orange car. Easy. Well, guys, I'm gonna AFK until I get that amount. Well, see you once I'm done AFKing. Guys, I got more than enough money, so now let's go see this orange car and test it out. Okay, let's check. Ooh. Let's see. Oh my god. What about drifting? Oh my. This is a really good drifting car. Skirt. If you ever need to turn around, this is a really good. And if you ever need to turn a tight turn, this is really good because look, you can literally turn at the last second. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do donuts. Dude, you turn too much with this. Look, I can't, like, look. You can't, like, you have so much power with, oh my god. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. Woo! Okay, that was not even. Okay, I'm just getting this. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna I'm gonna park this in here. This guy's the same with the secret car, but I'm just gonna go ahead and park it in here. Okay. Guys, I'm just gonna do a little role playing. Okay? So if you see me a little role playing, that's because I am a little role playing. Okay? Well, I'm gonna go to sleep. Wakes up. Okay. Start of a new day. Let's harvest our big cash crop. Okay? Let's see how much we made off our normal crops. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's see, on this crop, I forgot what it's called out. I can't remember. Let's see what we gained off our carrots today. Let's start asking some engineers to start asking some oh my god, they already built it? Dang, bro. Dang, they already built it. Okay. I'm gonna have my nice ride. First time we gotta get one of these. Okay, I'm gonna get in the front door. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Dude, oh my god. Oh, that hurt. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, there's a lot of farmers nearby. Let's go check out what they can sell me. Wrong way. Actually, I'm gonna go to the normal one. Oh, there's my new neighbor that's still working on there. Oh my god. They're still. Here's my neighbor. Let's check on them. What's up? Well, okay. Well, let's go see what they have today for me. Because I don't. Oh my god. Oh, forgot he moved away. Oh my god. Okay, the best one around me is this guy with this girl. Okay, who cares that I went off over there? Oh my god, they only have pumpkins. Oh, I really want it. Oh, I don't have anything I really want, did it? Okay. So guys, you like my role playing? Yeah, I'm gonna start doing, I might do some role playing games in this. So, you might see some in the future. I kind of like it. Like, I was checking that if there's like that guy that was better than me in the server still. So, but he wasn't, so I thought he was, so I was gonna go check out what he had, but nope, he wasn't. Well, I'm gonna go back actually to start playing the game. Okay, let's try to clean that money. Let's go back. Okay, let's claim all of these. Okay, 90. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna buy the police car. Let's see how much I get out of this. See how fast they go. Can I actually turn on lights? Oh, I actually can't turn on lights. Hey, and how fast can this go? I'm gonna try. Oh, okay, this is actually really fast. I like fast cars. Can they make it up the hill? Can they make it up the hill? No way. This actually would, dude. Okay, okay. Let's see how much miles per hour I can get from this hill to the other hill. Oh my god, no way. That's okay. So 164 is the max that I can go. this car. Let's check out this car. Man, let me just claim the money. This is just super overpowered. Okay. But I don't care. I love it. See if I can make it up. Even if I can make it up. It's a 164, I think. Yeah, 164. Well, I think. Yeah, it's 164. Mine's 130. Let's see. Oh, this is mine. Mine's 131. Okay. Sorry guys, I won't be able to complete it. I'm gonna do a part two tomorrow because I have to go to bed soon. So. Oh, you gotta be kidding. Okay, it probably cost a lot because it's very valuable, so I'm not gonna say anything. I'm gonna buy some lights. I'm gonna put my cars back in place. Wait, that just makes it look cool with the lights. I can't lie. Well, I'm gonna claim all this money and see how much I get. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna claim this. And well, I'm gonna claim that thing. This fat thing. Pet the chicken. And then say hi. There we go. 35K. And then, now get this, and now I have to have enough. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see how much money I get on this. So I have 3,000. Let's see. Ready? Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god. I get like 30K out of that. Well, I'm gonna go take a ride in my police car. Oh, nope. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna grind on this. I don't even need to go anywhere else. Like, for real. Don't need to go anywhere else. I can just grind at this place. I don't need anything else. Every single 15 seconds I get like 30K. Okay, 100. Okay, I got all my carrots. I can just grind for money at this place. Okay, well, once all of this gets done, okay, that's 40. I can just stay right here. Okay, I'm gonna pull out. That's 16K, so I can just get it right here. 16K right on the dot. Okay, I'm gonna grab this bride, buy this. Okay, buy field. Okay, I gotta go back over here for a second. This speeds up very, very fast. I have to agree with that. Okay, thanks for all the money. Only if it's like a very expensive thing, like 1 million, I'm gonna use old. I'm not gonna use all of them. I'll have to go back over there, and then I have enough for. Then I can gain more money finally. After like 10 years of just doing greenhouses. Or I have to clean it myself. Let's go. Okay, I have just enough. When I mean just, I don't mean just enough. Should go back over there though. Well, guys, I'm just gonna AFK. Hey, can I just AFK grinding right here and just? Hey, can I harvest everything from right here? Yes, I can. So well, I'm just gonna AFK right here until I get a lot of money. Okay, guys. I grinded for a bunch of money. Now I'm gonna go over here and start. Yeah, the video's gonna have to end soon. I'm lucky I grind that much money because godly, that cost a lot. Well, I'm just gonna grind for the rest of the video. Okay. Well, I'm gonna save up for enough. Oh, I forgot to use my car to get over there. What am I doing? It's 115K. Oh my god. Do I have enough? No, I do not. I'm only getting $306 and it's trying to make me spend like 42K, so I'm gonna go back over here. I don't even need those plants over there anymore. This gets me more. Because it gets me every single 15 seconds. That gets me every single 60 seconds. Like, I want to see how much money I gain. Crap, I ain't harvesting my food. Yeah, this is what I just did for my AFKing. If you'll ever do this game, just do this in your carrot farm. It's really good for making money. See how much I'm making? Just expand your property more so it can, because you're probably going to get more fields if you do. I'm just going to go ahead and do it because I just don't want to have to do stuff about it later when I have to buy it. Okay. Well, I'm gonna start AFKing, boys. Peace. Okay, guys. I'm gonna have to end it right when I buy this field right here. Well, maybe I might have more time. Yeah, I might have this clock's behind 1 hour behind, so it's 9:08 for me. Oh. Guys, this is gonna be a... Well, I'm gonna go AFK again. Did I just sold something? Now automatically harvest that thing right over there. I just bought it, so that's why I don't have much money. And I haven't bought that thing that I was saving up for in the first place. But I'm super close. Why is that $300? What does solos help with? Anyways. Grow. Okay, that's gonna be easy. To what money I'm gaining right now, apparently. Apparently I'm gaining a lot of money. Just look at this. Easy. Come out here. Get like 7K. Come back in there. Get like another K. Staying right here for just a few seconds. Then bam, you have enough money. Like now I get so much money. Fertilize the field? 1,000 every single second? Oh my. See how much money I gain. Holy. Okay, I'm getting a lot of money. Well, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna make a new video, new bright and early tomorrow. Peace.